The Sony Xperia VIII is shaping up to be Sony's next flagship smartphone, expected to launch around mid-2026, likely between May and June. It will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, offering a significant boost in performance for both CPU and GPU, placing it among the top Android devices of the year. The phone is rumored to feature a large 4K HDR OLED display with a high refresh rate, ensuring stunning clarity and smooth visuals, perfect for multimedia and gaming enthusiasts. Photography remains a focus, with speculation of a major camera upgrade, potentially including a high-resolution rear sensor around 200 MP alongside advanced imaging technologies for improved low-light performance and versatile photo and video capture. Additional expected features include a long-lasting battery with fast and wireless charging, IP-rated water and dust resistance, and professional-grade video tools aimed at creators. Overall, the Xperia VIII looks set to build on Sony's strengths in display, imaging, and creative features, making it one of the standout Android flagships of 2026.